Alright guys, in this video I want to walk you through the steps to set up your Zonar Scanner and iFVG scanner. Zonar Scanner is a smart money concept scanner, while iFVG simply means inverse fair value gap scanner. Okay, so but before you can have access to this, two things are involved. Number one, make sure you request for PU Prime link from the person that refer you. Complete your PU Prime broker registration so that you can have your UID, PU Prime UID. Do the KYC, complete the necessary registration on the PU Prime. Then after that, you come to your Play Store or App Store to download TradingView. TradingView is where we actually normally view trade very well. If you want to be a trader, you need to have TradingView so that you'll be able to have all the tools needed for you to make a right decision in trading. All right, this is the TradingView. Okay, when you come to this TradingView, you download the app, you click on it. If you are newly clicking on this app, it will pop up continue with email. When you see continue with Google mail or something like that, continue with Google, you click on it, it's going to pop up all the different types of email that you have on your phone, and if it's only one, it's going to pop it up. You can choose that. Once you choose that, it's going to redirect you to complete your registration on TradingView. All right, so but if eventually you miss that option and you find yourself here like this, then you click on the three line at the bottom right here. So you see sign in. Okay, when you click on sign in, so you don't continue with Google, you have to click on the sign up below here. All right, sign up below here. You can see sign up. So when you click on sign up, so this person that already have an account that used to sign in. You don't have accounts before you sign up. Okay, so click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you can see this place has changed from sign in to sign up. Then you now continue with Google again. Okay, when you continue with Google, you can see the way it pop up my emails. You choose the email address you like to use. Let me use the email address I've not used before. When you click on this one, it will create account for you. Agree, yes. It's my pop-up paid something like that. You have to cancel that. So with this, you can see my account is successful. How do I know? Just need to click on the three line here again. You can see it has created a username for me. That's what it has created a username for me and created an account for me, Plan B Mega 43. So that's my new account. So mean that I already have my account sign up and automatically sign in. So as you can see, if I want to sign out, I will sign out. So after having your TradingView set up like this, what is the next step of action? So don't forget, you're going to get a link. Okay, you're going to get a link to register your Primeverse. It's a universal link for everybody, from your sponsor or from anybody that's a top leader. So after registering, it might take within 24 hours before you will be approved. You have to wait patiently. Assuming you have been approved, so you go to your Play Store again to go and download the application to be accessing your Primeverse. And what's the name of that app? It is called Mighty Network app. Okay, something like this, Mighty Network app. So once you come to your Mighty Network app, you click on it. If you are newly clicking on this, it will ask you one or two questions to answer, your name and some information. Okay, once you complete this information, it will send a link to your email. Okay, when you get to that email address, you see Primeverse in that email sent to you by the Mighty Network. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to this place and you'll find something like this. So assuming you have gotten to this place, you click on this line at the top left here. All right, so now I want to scroll to the scanner area. So this is the Zonar and the iFVG. So we want to click on the Zonar first. We want to set up Zonar first. Though there's a tutorial that you can watch to guide you, but let's just do this also for our people. But take note of this. Take note of it, Andrew. Okay, Andrew. Take note of that. So let's click on the apply for access here, Zonar. All right. So it's redirecting us. Oh, I pray it doesn't redirect me to my TradingView account that I already have on my website. Oh, perfect. So when you have something like this, full name, you put your full name, the way you have it in your registration you have been doing so far. PU Prime ID. You go to your PU. You can see why you need to have your PU Prime set up before you can apply for the Primeverse, or before you can say you want to access your scanner. So your PU Prime UID, you go and copy it under your profile. Okay, you see that at the top corner left. So you copy it there, you paste it. Then next, your TradingView username. So I want to use Plan B Mega 43. That's my username. That was automatically created for me. Plan B Mega 43. Okay. Alright, make sure to use the same email you sign up with PU Prime, otherwise you will not get access. And what was that mail that I signed up? I think it was a more strategy consults. Then my phone number, I want to click on the country here to search Nigeria. Okay, let me search Nigeria. And then it has bring the prefix of Nigeria. So then 816. Okay, I think I've used this phone number before. 81. Okay, 68020272. Okay, submit. Get access here. Okay, so once you are redirected to this place, what do you have to do? You need to click on this. Oh, it has taken me to my old account, which is this one. It's taking me to my old account. But just you click on this place. Sorry, you click on this. When you click on this place, so it will have been added to your TradingView. Then you wait for it. So after clicking on that plus sign, yeah, it takes you to this place. So when it takes you to this place, what do you want to do? You want to cancel this place, this thing. Click on the cancel here. Then what do you want to do again? You want to come to the charts. Okay, when you get to the charts, you want to click on this place. You can see these three dots you are seeing at the bottom right here. Click on it. Then after that, you want to come to the indicator. So when you get to the indicator, what do you want to do? You want to search Zonar. So you can see, let the Zonar that you are getting, it might give you different Zonars option. Make sure it has Andrew 09. Let's make sure that it has V1.5 or something. And to some people, it might not pop up this Zonar. You can only see V1.5 Andrew 09. However, you can just first of all add it to your favorites by clicking on this star. Then secondly, now click on this Zonar Disney. Click on it. Perfect. You can see indicator added to your chart. Indicator added to your charts. So you click on this cancel button, or you click on the chart straight away. So the sorry, I want to click on chart. So the Zonar scanner has been added. I need to do some final touch to this my scanner. So what do? I want to click on this place. Okay. Then I want to remove this volume first, so that it will not this volume you are seeing here. And for me to remove it, I have to click on this thing, volume BTC you are seeing here. So I want to just click on this delete, or I click on these three dots to click or to choose remove. I click on the three dots, then I scroll down, and I want to remove. I remove this. So you can see that all the volume you are seeing here has been removed. Then I now want to edit my Zonar to give me the candle color. You know, this is, I don't like this kind of candle, white, green, blue, blah 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 like that. So I want it to give me normal candle color. So I type on this Zonar here, and it pop up this option. I want to click on settings. And when you click on settings, so you want to come to these inputs. You can see inputs under input here. So under inputs, now first thing first, I want to scroll down. You can see from below here, I want to click on display signals. Display signals. Then I want to remove this show fair value gap, because you are a beginner. You don't need more. You don't need to be more more jump pack. Okay. So you need something that will be easier for you. As time goes on, you can now be adding all these things to it. Okay. So I want to remove this show MB labels. Okay. I want to remove these other blocks, show OBL labels. I want to remove it for now. Okay. For now. Oh, I've mistakenly. Oh shit! I've mistakenly clicked wrong thing. Oh. Okay. I think we are here. So remove this. Remove this. Then I want to even remove this OT zone. Can see I only now this color candle colors. I want to also remove it also, so that it can give me the original color instead of blue and white. All right, so I only leave the HTF strength, the one that will be showing me support and resistance, and the display signal. Then I click OK. Perfect. So but for you to see those signals and all that, you have to drag this thing, zoom it in, you know, by dragging these two places together like this. Let me drag my screen. You can see, yes, I drag the screen. I drag the left and right together, not the margin area here. Okay. So, but this place. Well, what is bringing this particular thing from now? Sorry. I want to remove this. Yes. So I've removed it. Yeah. So this is how you will see your Zonar scanner. You can see entry price. You can see SL, and you can see your TP1 to 3 here. Okay. So that is that. And if there's anything you think you want to still add, you can come back to setting anytime, so to see what you want to see. All right, so yeah, that is that about that. And that's how you set up your Zonar Scanner. When you get to the Zonar Scanner here, sometimes it might give you pending entry. Okay, pending entry, and this is I think a 1 month time frame. So let me change the time frame to 15-minute time frame or 1 hour time frame. So okay, so you can, once I click into this place, I can use this place to drag it so that I'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, I will drag it up like this. Then you are the one that will be using your hand to make this seem more clearer and bold for you. Okay, now look at this signal here. So I believe when this signal was dropped, you can see where it was, or maybe the markets around this place before it was dropped. Okay, so and the market drop, as you can see the entry, so then snatch the TP1 to 3 before market start reversing back. So and make sure you draw it like this very well. And it is always wise for you to check all the time frame and time this thing to know which of the time frame that you like most. Let me 1 minute, 1 2. I'm pressing and hold to add it to the favorites. Press and hold, add to favorites. Press and hold, add to favorites. 15 minutes, add to favorites. 1 hour, add to favorites. 4 hours, add to favorites. 1 day, add to favorites. 1 week, favorites. 1 month, favorites. Okay, so for now you can leave it at that. Now let's so that you can be able to be changing the time frame from here, all right, to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes you can see. So and this thing, you can see the support and resistance line that I said we should leave. You can see the white dots, that's support level. The blue dot on top here, that's a resistance level. Okay, and you can see the market actually respected it. Okay, so and you can even be using that also as your signal to be trading. When you see it at support level, you can enter and take your little profit, or if it's closer to the entry, like I get it now. So and for this particular sell signal here, you can see that this is a resistance level. So this resistance level, you can put your own stop loss on top of that resistance level. Okay, and you can see the entry, you can see the TP1, 2 and 3. I get it now. And if somebody, so the same thing applicable to the support. Okay, so that is by the way for now. And once you are doing that, you always put whatever makes the market to break your support and resistance level, that where you put your stop loss. Don't try to revenge, just leave the trade and wait for another opportunity. All right, so that's for the Zonar. We're going to have another training that's going to explain how you can use this kind of effectively, but this one is just for how to set it up. All right, now what do we have to do next? We are going back to the Mighty app. Okay, we are going back to the Mighty app, so that we can go and set up our iFVG scanner. So we already have the Zonar, so let's go back to the Mighty app to set up the. Okay, so don't forget the process here. We want to click on this to go back rather. All right, so we want to now go and look for iFVG. So we have just successfully set up our Zonar. So we want to set up the iFVG indicator, iFVG, right? Inverse fair value gap. So make sure you take note of don't need dropouts. Okay, don't need dropouts for this particular iFVG. Don't need dropout. DONNY dropouts. Okay, write it together. So apply for access here, because we might come across different iFVG in the TradingView. So the one that we differentiate, the one we are looking for, so is the donate dropouts that will be in it. So it's redirecting us. It's going to ask us the same question again this time around. But mind you, after setting up this from your Mighty app and you have access to your TradingView, you don't need to come back to your Mighty app again before you have access to all these scanners. Once you set it up on your TradingView, you just go through to your TradingView anytime you want to trade. You don't need to, because as many times you come to the Mighty app to access the scanner again, it will be asking you all these names. So to avoid that, just go straight to what? Go straight to your TradingView to go and make use of the tool that you have set up, not coming here all the time. Then the PU Prime ID, okay. Same ID. Then what's your TradingView username? I think is this plan B, Mega 43. All right. Then make sure to use the premium. Okay, there's more strategy consults. Okay, then the number also want to change it to Nigeria. Okay, phone number 81. Okay, 8168020272. Okay, submit. So we are gaining access to iFVG also right away. We are gaining access. Okay, access. Click on access below. All right, so we are on inverse fair value gap indicator. Don't need dropouts. All right, so we want to click on this plus sign also. Boom, we have clicked it. All right, it's loading. All right, perfect. So don't forget to click on this place. So we want to cancel this. Then what do we want to do again? We want to come to the indicator here, the 3 dots below here. Then when we click on it, we want to click on indicator. Then when we get to the indicator here, we want to search inverse fair value gap, or let's search iFVG, or let's search Donny dropouts. Okay, Donny dropouts. Okay, exactly. So you can see that's best thing to search this Donny dropouts. Once you search this, add to your favorites, then click on the inverse. All right, once indicator added, perfect. Okay, so you want to click on this star here. So now we have iFVG, but you know what, for you to set up the iFVG, you can hide the Zonar first. Hide the Zonar. Okay, so you can click on the Zonar, then click on the eye icon you are seeing here, the eye like icon. Click on it to hide the Zonar. You can see when we hide the Zonar, we can see the what, you can see the iFVG, right? But we still have some touches. This is the entry, but it's not bright, it's not bold, so we need to go and change the color. Okay, then at the same time we need to be seeing TP34 also. All right, so and one thing I love about this iFVG is that anytime a particular TP is hit, it will mark it that this one has been outdated. You know, this one has been hit. So let's click on it to go and edit. Okay, settings icon. Now first thing I think we need to do now, we want to mark the TP3 and 4. Then I want to change the entry color to white. All right, and what other thing I think let's leave it for now. Okay, then we can also set that we want to see the last 2 signals or last 3 signals from the iFVG. All right, mark setup to show 1, so we can say we can make it 2. All right, so we can make it 2. Then you click OK. So once you click OK, you can see we are able to see the previous signal by the iFVG, how it snatched all the TP 1 to 4. You can see how it snatched all the TP 1 to 4. This was the entry, LCL, and how it snatched the TP 1 to 4. Massive, man, massive. So and we are able to see the new entry here also. So the new entry for the sell was it was about to hit TP1 before market close on Friday, but today's Sunday and it has not hit it. But if it eventually hit it when the market opens today, automatically it will mark it also that this has been booked. All right, so as simple as that. Anytime you want to use your iFVG, you switch to it by closing this hiding this Zonar and set up this. Anytime you want to use the Zonar, you can hide the iFVG, okay, and put on your what, and put on your Zonar. Mind you, you can own the two together, but it will look to not be to look tampered, it will look clumsy somehow. Okay, so that is that about that. You can choose your choice of the scanner. You can use iFVG only, you can use Zonar only, the one you think you know how to use best. You need a little effort by studying the different time frames, and time frame that you think it suits you, then you can be using it to trade it. So I wish you all best of luck, and let me quickly just use this medium to go back to Mighty app. I don't want this video to be too long, but it's already long already. Go to back to Mighty app. I want to really show you where to go to join the Telegram channel on official Telegram channel where they are dropping signals on Telegram. But mind you, all these services are for free, so don't let anybody deceive you to collect money from you. So when you get here and you want to go to the trade alert, you can see trade alert here. Once you click on the trade alerts, you're going to see the Telegram channel. Scroll down a bit, you can see join here. When you join this place, they will ask for your email address that you use. Once you provide the details, then you'll be given a link to join the signal channel. But mind you, if you are following one trader, just stick to one trader. That's my advice for you. Stick to one trader. If that trader does not drop signal, don't trade. If you drop signal, trade. If you lost with him. If you win with him. So if you want to connect your Prime Sync, I think we're going to also do another new video concerning it. Although we already have a video that explains that. Thank you. So have a profitable days ahead. Thank you. All right. I want to stop the recording.